I'm telling you, boy, I got them boys, dog. I'm trying to tell you.
Motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre.
The beat, and I still
see you,
got
bro.
love for the streets.
I
It's
see you.
Yo, what up, Tudo gang? Tudo Dre checking back in. Yeah, as y'all know, today my birthday. You know what I'm saying? We vlogged, we was in the mall the other day. I got a little vlog when we was in the mall. But yeah, me and my dog Frederick, Frederick. You feel me? We slide today. Me and him finna go to the range. We in this place called Bass Pro. Y'all know about this place. I don't know. I ain't getting paid, so I ain't doing no promotion for them. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna grab some ammo from out of here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even get fresh for my birthday yet. We just finna go to the range. I got something real slight on, real slight. You see that real slight? You know what I'm saying? Real slight. I got some real in the car though. I got some in the car for y'all. I gotta get me some pants and stuff before I go. I ain't got no pants, but I got me like 4 shirts. I ain't get to show y'all the other day when we went in the mall, but I bought like 4 shirts, some shoes. So nigga, we ready. We ready. But we over here. Y'all see they got the camo on y'all. What's up? What's up with the camo? Yeah, trying to tell you. Hiding in your bushes, for real. It's like real hiding in your bushes. Y'all already know we're blended in. But you know they got everything up in here though. Look, they got little virtual guns and all that stuff. Whole little small little arcade in here. Hit them with the hunting gun. Pow, pow, pow. But nah, I need bullets and I need the ammo. They got BB guns and everything in here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, when you want to buy a gun, come here. Cause they be having good sales on their guns and stuff like that. They be having good sales. Y'all see, what the targets at? Might be some targets. Ammunition. This where we need to be at. Ammunition. 223, $32. 20 rounds. Y'all ain't got nothing more than that. I need more than 20 rounds. 20 rounds. Oh, ooh. For $150, $100. Oof. Dracos.
Everybody I talk to about Dracos, they be acting like they hate that junk. Like, oh, rappers just talk about it with them.
Bruh, truth be told, bruh. With a Draco, that is
like AK, like small AK.
Yeah, but that's really for range shooting, bruh. That niggas will take a Draco and shoot 100 shots and hit nothing. You take this AR, I shoot 100 shots, I'm hitting everything. You can believe that. I take the AR, bro, I'm hitting everything. They ain't even got no what's in it. God. They got 345 auto.
Hell no, what that cost?
That ain't even bad. The price for 300 rounds, $179. That ain't bad at all. But yeah, I got the 4.5 mil. 100 rounds, $64. I don't need 100 rounds. I don't think I want to shoot the 4.5 no more, y'all. Now I got 40s in I should have 40s in my bag. I just bought some of them. But I ain't even buy those kind. You know, you get the Winchester for the range. I always get Winchester and stuff like for the range. But dang. What is this? 50 rounds? Green, target and practicing. Y'all know, dude. We'll just need something. Oh. She don't want to on camera. I don't want her on camera. What is this? 50 rounds. Yeah, I might have to grab me 50 rounds. 50 rounds of the 4.5.
Oh, yeah, but
What's that?
149 for $30. 60 for $30.
Winchester range. You practice range ammo. That's what you want. Practice range ammo. 38 special. Winchester. What I need?
Wait a minute, though. Wait.
What?
Do I need this much to shoot with? Who else got 9s? Just me?
I got 9 too, but I was gonna buy a box of 9 too.
No, I ain't tripping on that. I'm just saying.
What?
I'm just making sure I'm buying the right. Cause I'm like, damn, I got some at the crib. I don't need to
But
be buying no extra range.
We gonna shoot all that, bro.
Oh, all right. We not?
We definitely gonna shoot all that.
All right.
I don't know how you shoot, bro. I go to shoot. I buy my range bullets. Those bullets get used at the range that day.
Okay.
Then we go get something else.
Hey, yo. 6 sauces. I heard that's the most deadliest gun on the planet. I heard.
Yeah.
No, wait.
It's listen here. Truth be told, bro, everybody got their own purposes. Everybody say what they want. Everybody think this is that. It's really up to you. It's really how you shoot. Really. It really was.
I remember the gun that they had caught that shooting at the little crib and shit. They said that was the deadliest gun. I forgot the name of it.
Stop believing everything you hear.
No. It literally was
Listen,
listed on Google.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you, you know what the deadliest gun is?
What?
Any gun, cause all of them gonna kill you.
I'm putting it like that. So let me get you see the 5.56.
5.56 should be down here with the 223s. What these do? 350. But I'm gonna get back to y'all once we get out the store. Yeah, so we back. So I done got my ammo. I got some 40 already in the car. I bought just grabbing some 4.5. Got me some 5.56. What you grab?
Then we got 5.56. Got a 9mm with a little target. You already know what it is. Putting in work for real. You know.
We finna see. I wanna see what Frederick can do, y'all.
Oh, hold on. Let me give you a little video. Hold on. Let you know what that is. What?
Doesn't count. He talking about back then. Back then they didn't want me.
You right. Stay in the present.
We right now. We want to see what you gonna do today.
Most definitely.
They got a range here, but they so busy in here today. I don't know what happened today, but they very busy in here. So we trying to get our stuff and get up out of here. But yeah, got range. You know what I'm saying? The day. I won the trip already before. I did it. I just did. They said I can't redo it until like February or something like that.
10 months. When did you go?
We went in June. Yeah.
Oh, you want to pay
Yeah.
this? You want to pay this? I'm afraid you're in the winning zone, not in the paying zone.
You can't.
But what you can do is
They over there trying to get them. What you can do? What you can do? Huh? Oh, yeah, it's big fish in there too. Yeah, y'all, I think I showed y'all this before. Maybe so, maybe didn't. I don't remember. But look, yeah, they got big fish in here. The big tank. What you thought?
Well, I didn't know that.
Y'all can tell a nigga who ain't never been nowhere. Y'all see? This nigga ain't never been nowhere. Bruh, I say you're grown now. You have a car. Get to places. Bro, you just got to start traveling and going different places. Find over here. We ain't going fishing today. Hey, you know when you know down here, if you go fishing, you can open carry and stuff like that. When you go fishing and hunting and stuff like that. When you go, bruh. You know it's alligators and stuff. We live in Florida.
Oh, okay.
Like it's all type of stuff out here. When I go fishing, I go to the Everglades.
Oh, what you tripping?
What you ain't tripping?
Oh yeah, you wild.
I don't understand this guy.
Wow.
Don't. It's not his fault, y'all. It's not his fault. It's not his fault.
Nah, boy,
It's not his fault. He talking about I'm not
You
regular.
Florida man for real.
Duh. I live to my whole life, sir. I do. Me and my homeboys go do stuff.
That boy run into an anaconda, python, something
And
that ain't supposed to be out there.
And it's chitty chitty bang bang, pow pow.
Nah, that ain't stopping. Boy, you tripping? Boy, they gonna eat that, boy.
Boy, they gonna have to do something. Come shooting heads off, boy. What you mean? How you think they gonna stop that? You know, regular, you know, they be shooting with 223s and 38s and stuff like that when they be killing the alligators.
What about the python season?
Python season, they be catching them with their hand.
No, oh yeah.
But you know, in Florida, you got the in Florida to what we have to do?
Sign up.
Sign up. Yeah. How much is it to sign up?
Nothing.
Nothing. Then let's sign up.
It's a credit card.
She got me.
She
got
a
me.
gift card, maybe a gift card.
Nah, I don't want no credit card. I just applied for another credit card.
But look at this. Look at this.
I see.
Get ammo.
Hmm?
Get ammo.
Yeah, I understand. They always try to get you. She almost had me. Almost. Nah, I just grabbed me another credit card. I got my
credit card too, just
Yeah.
like you just said.
I just got approved for another one. What? Like 2 days ago.
Hey, look, everybody, if you got getting your money right, you got to get a cashback credit card, rewards credit cards, make your money work for you. Most definitely.
Right. See, he know a little bit, y'all. He ain't been nowhere, but he might know a little bit.
Yeah, I know a little bit. I ain't been nowhere, but you feel me? Been in my little fishbowl, but while I've been swimming in there, I've been getting a little information.
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying, y'all know. Yup. So we back, y'all. Now we at another range. You at the range we gonna be at today. Shoot straight range. That's what we're gonna be at shoot straight today. Getting it in, shoot straight. Hey, for to get in, got to sign this paperwork and stuff like that. And then we in the range, y'all. So yeah, now we in here, we waiting. Man, Fred, we waiting. Man, they been waiting for the lanes to open up. See, they got the lanes, we waiting for the lanes to open up. Get in here and get a little shooting in. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get some shooting in. Woo. I'm ready. I ain't been shooting in a minute, I'm ready to get back to shooting. Yeah. Yeah. Ready. They in here shooting. Pull these guns out. I'm gonna let y'all see them. I'll let y'all see what guns we shooting today. We got some things. We got some things today. We brought things out today. This one here. This here. He say he swole with a gun.
Blow something.
He say gonna blow something.
Blow something.
Alright, now you better be like cuz, so I just seen on YouTube just shooting and missed everything. And he missed everything. Wow.
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that boy.
You turning sideways.
Yeah.
What you turning sideways for?
Yeah. That boy, hey. I can't do that one.
That
Don't
boy
push it
shot.
too far back though. Some people be acting like,
Bro, that's you. That's you. It's where you put it at, bro.
I ain't gonna push it too
Listen
far.
here. I shoot at 5. You know why?
What's that?
I shoot at 5 yards. Yeah.
Is
That's
that close?
5 yards. Is that number on the wall? You see the numbers on the wall? I shoot at that. You know why?
Because you.
So we have one lane that open, lane 14. The person beside you guys is going to leave in a couple of minutes. So you guys want to wait for both lanes to open or just go in there?
Yeah, we.
So they 5 after a while. Did what I did. Did what I did. 4-5. You know what I'm saying? Smith & Wesson. Y'all already know. XD. 4-5. That's when I shot. I ain't shot it in a while, but you know what I'm saying? Frederick for the shooter now. Wanna put a clean sheet of paper up there for you?
No.
Sure.
I got you.
That bitch throwing. Look what it did to my paper.
Damn.
On shit. We got the AR out there, bitch. Ain't even playing with them.
Shit, we can't. It'd be best for us not to bring our ARs out right now.
Nah, it's on doing that because he got a short barrel on there. Because the type of barrel he got on there. Go ahead. We got young Frederick on here shooting. You didn't pull the trigger, bruh. I did pull that thing.
Oh, I got squeeze.
You got to put yes. I told you that, bruh.
I didn't even know this was that one.
You ain't holding it good enough, Frederick. Hold on, stop. Yeah, there you go. That's how you hold it. Bring his finger down, son. Bring your finger down, son. Rest it, just like that. Don't squeeze too tight, or it's gonna shoot to the side. Whatever side you squeeze in the tight. There you go.
Got that much recoil?
I don't. Okay. I see you. Look at Frederick. Okay. Okay. I see you.
One of them shits I'm.
You hitting, boy. I see you. Definitely see you hitting. Uh-oh, Frederick.
Okay. Get him out of there.
Yeah, you
Get
can
him out of
shoot. You can shoot. I see it. Yo, Fred be shooting, boy. Look
him
at
out
him.
of here.
He always want to clip somebody around here.
What, he ain't gonna eat?
Always clipping somebody. Yeah, big 05. That's the first time shooting 05 XD.
Yeah.
05. How you feel, sir? He ain't got that much, kid. I'm gonna shoot my. You see, he over here. We gotta get him, y'all. Look what he doing to me. Just gonna throw my paper.
Hey, nah, bro, I'm bringing the AR. That's war, nigga.
Woo. Hey, look what he did to my paper. Good to say this one over with.
God damn.
But yeah, I ain't even show y'all what I brought today. I brought a couple weapons. Y'all. Brought a couple things with me. Y'all know. Had to bring Bay. I had to pull him out. He brought his, I brought mine. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Long barrels. I'm gonna build me a short barrel soon though. That's what I'm finna do. Build me.
This right here. Real shit. You
Yeah.
know that bitch.
That boy got that Ruger.
Ruger.
Got the Ruger. AR-15. 5.56.
5.56.
You know what I'm saying? I got 223 5.56 on mine. I ain't never shot no 5.56, so I bought some today, y'all. We gonna see what it kicking like.
Oh.
Definitely gonna see what it's kicking like.
Both.
This one,
Yeah.
which one is it? 5. You know what I'm saying? Same clip. Take the same magazine, so that ain't a problem.
He got attachments.
Yeah, he got attachments and stuff like that. Okay. Gotta hit him with the scope. You got to get you a scope on your bro. Bro, how you shoot this? You ain't got not nail sight on here.
Bro, that's the thing. That's crazy. Ain't it?
Yeah, you ain't got nail sight on here. So how you shooting, bro? You ain't got no back sight, front sight.
I'm gonna have to get a sight then.
Yeah,
They
you
told
get a
me
sight.
that. I thought I had one.
Nah, ain't no sight on there. How you shoot? What up, bro? I'm at the range. Yeah. Let's shoot. Let me come back when I get up out of here, okay, bro? Alright. But yeah, y'all. Another one supposed to be open. They ain't gave me no thing yet. But, oh, I ain't sure y'all what else we got. It's just some. Hold this for me real quick. Get out.
Face.
That's what we have. Also have that. What else we got? Another 40 gap. Smith & Wesson SD40.
Sheesh.
Got a 50 round drum for us.
Oh yeah, I'm most
50
definitely
round
finna
drum
bust
for
that little
us.
bit.
Another 40.
Absolutely none of that was heard. You didn't hear a single word. You feel me?
Yeah.
That boy was saying stuff way here.
I got some of that stuff in here. Hopefully y'all heard me. But yeah, we got some stuff in here. Bringing them in. Shooting with the big AR-15. Shooting with the AR. What we hit from back there, y'all. Let's see what we got. We had to get something. Y'all see it. It's coming. They coming. Woo! Told you I don't miss, man. I don't miss. I don't miss. Tell him up, tell him up. I nipped the ear too. You know what I'm saying? He can't hit nothing either. Got to get it all the way in, man. You already know. That was from like what, 20 feet, something like that. 20 yards, something like that. Yeah, I hit him. Don't run from him. Don't you run from him.
So when the green on it, that means it's on it, like for real, like.
Huh? Yeah.
All right, just making sure, like. When it's on it, do I shoot a little bit below or up?
You gotta look at it.
Because it doesn't rise.
Well, you look, this your sight right here. This your main sight. So this your front sight. Your front sight really telling you where you going at.
Okay.
So when you looking through here, you can see through that sight too.
Okay.
So put that green dot on top of this sight right here, and you gonna hit.
All right,
Where you aiming at?
All right. Exactly what I want.
Don't be scared of it. Lean forward a little bit. There you go. Always rack it back. Even though you can see down here, rack it back. Okay. Tell you, Fred, there's some shooting now. I
got the head. I was looking for it too.
No, that's why I was shot at already, sir.
Okay.
We can look at the tape if you want to.
My fault.
Nah, you got up here though, dude. You did hit one of them up there. I was seeing you. You was all in the area. You was hitting.
I was trying to get that head though. I was trying to get the head up out of it.
You had to lift it up a little bit. What you was doing, you was just moving your head up. You weren't moving the gun up now.
Okay.
See, cause you can see down here now, since you can see through that bit, and the scope on there, see you gonna hit. Like before, you couldn't hit cause you ain't had no sight on your gun.
Yeah.
That's all that is. And then you weren't looking down the gun itself. Now, that's it, bro. Like you hit.
Alright.
You hit it, my boy. I see it. I see it.
How you doing? I'm Justin.
Andre.
Nice to meet you.
Lamar.
You film for me when you get a second?
Yeah, I had to pull the drum out. We finna go, so we finna rapid fire this shit.
They thought this was. Nigga been nice all day. I don't give a fuck if I don't go. It's too late, you feel me? Go.
That's all I had. I ain't
Okay.
know.
I was shocked. I'm like, what's going on?
I think I got a little bit more. Let me see what I hit, 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 what I hit. I told you, I don't miss.
Don't miss.
I don't miss.
All hit, no misses.
I shoot your whole apple out. Take all this out. Shoot your whole apple out.
Most deaf. All hit, no misses.
But thank y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know, share the video. Tell a friend and tell a friend about Tudo Dre. Y'all already know how it go. But, you know what I'm saying? Till next time.